Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I made a little over $650 from swing trading in the stock market. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out my school, Swing Trading Masterclass. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, we have quizzes, we have lectures, everything you guys need to get started with swing trading. And right now, limited time offer, you guys can use code YouTube for 20% off. So check it out. Only 2 spots left, so check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this. So this past week, we did take a trade, and I do want to break it down for you. Pretty much talking to you guys about my approach, my entry, my exit, and pretty much how I made a little over $650. So the first thing here is this is ticker symbol TEF. Now, for me and my strategy, I love stocks with an upward trend. Trends is the bread and butter of swing trading. You need trends as a long trader. So for me, I buy a stock, so I buy it and try to sell it at a higher price. Some traders will short a stock, so they pretty much are betting for the stock to go down. That's not me. I am a long trader. So trends, in my opinion, are one of the most underutilized things that traders don't even really look at. They try to find stocks that are on a downward trend, and they think that it's going to magically reverse, when in reality, it's always better to just go with the stock with an upward trend where it has confirmation, where we've gotten tendencies of good buying pressure. So with ticker symbol TEF, you guys will notice we have this really nice upward trend. Okay. On top of that, one of the things here that I look at is what we call indicators. So indicators are pretty much ways that traders will use certain studies to get a general idea of where the stock can go in the future, as well as what happened in the past. So looking at this, we have the blue, red, and then this blue squiggly line down here on the bottom. We also have the MACD indicator, which we'll show in a second, but you guys can see that we've seen a good amount of tendency of getting good buying pressure on these moving average lines when the stock is above it, right? So it hits it and we get good buying pressure. So recently, it actually hit it here right on that 90-day moving average line, having really good confirmation. So it comes in contact with it again, and this is where we had the trade. The trade was near and around $4.19. So for me and my strategy, I very, very rarely will trade stocks or stocks under $5, just because they're very volatile. But this had a really good entry, and it had a relatively good risk and reward. So if we actually draw it out here, and the broker I'm using is Moomoo, I've been getting a lot of questions about that, but you guys can see, so having our stop loss anywhere from 2 to 3%, 3% being max from its current price, and having our target all the way up here at about $4.62. The risk and reward is about 3.74. So risking $1 to make $3.74. So now what we do is we hop in near and around this $4.19, setting our stop loss near and around $4, and having our target all the way up here at $4.61. Now the thing about your target price is it's a target price, right? In the perfect world, that's where it hits, but about 80% of the time, it actually doesn't hit that. You most of the time get stopped out before. And that's kind of what happened here. You guys can see that this stock was on this nice move going up. And what I do is I do a trailing stop loss. So what I'll do is I'll just draw a trend line up like that. And then if it dips below that, then I'll just cut my losses. And that's what happened today, is it sold off. Now, in the reality, yes, I could have made more money up here. And the thing about trading is you're never going to buy at the peak bottom and sell at the peak top. It's very unrealistic to think that way. But what I really love is base hits. So you guys can see I made about 2.5%. And 2.5% in the matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. I'll take that every single day. And yes, we could have made what, 4%, maybe even 5%, but that's not going to happen. What makes a successful swing trader isn't these massive returns of 100% 200%, 20%. It's base hits of 1, 2, 3% that compound on itself over the year. So for me, I definitely think that hitting a 2% return in 6 days is well done. That's something to be very proud of. And a lot of traders only look at the profit rather than looking at the percentage. So for me, look at the percentage, take those profits, use the trailing stop loss, keep it, either 2% from its current price or do a trailing stop of price, which I always do with the trend line or something along those lines. So guys, this is super easy strategy because you're finding an upward trend, as well as the RSI, which is the relative strength index. It was trading for about a 36. So you guys can see the last time it was trading for a 36 was right in here, where the stock went from about $4 to about $4.45, which was a great return. So we had a lot of good indicators in our favor here. So guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. But this is how I made a little over $650 from swing trading in the stock market. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Any questions, feel free to ask down below. Like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.